Shit. You know what? I think I'm gonna stand. I'm gonna stand. It's fine.
Okay, guys, we're here for the discovery for Collins versus. Make sure I pronounce your last name right. Is Corny, right? I pronounce your name right?
It's gonna be corny.
Corny. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Denny, if you want to go first, you're more than welcome.
He like what would you want me to just give my evidence and everything? I only have the one video.
Oh, let me get you the I think. Okay.
I can send the I can send the video in there then right now.
Okay. Yeah. And then once he's done, you guys can take a moment and look at it. And if you got any discrepancies or anything, you can say everything now.
So yeah, I just have the one video evidence. I have there's a
Money
couple
for
cameras
the
around food
stuff in the
court. I
store.
was able to get this
Yeah, for
video footage. Plus his car was right there as well, recording the whole
um,
thing.
yeah, I'm trying to start a car dealership, so I'm trying to get
Um,
like a bunch of bronzes and
Pretty much if you just want to take a look at that video and see what
then we got
happened
like
for
let me see,
yourself.
other stuff that comes. I need some.
Let me know when you guys are done reviewing it.
Oh, I'm done.
Oh, you guys could already seen the video,
Okay.
the body cam. If you got any, you
Your
know,
Honor, we would like to file a motion.
yes.
Your Honor, we would like to file a motion that the case is to be dismissed due to the documentation not being dated properly. He stated that the incident happened on June 2nd, but on the document it says the incident date was June 4.
Let me look at this.
Not today. Not today. Not today. It's also dated at the bottom wrong too. He's getting fucked up. This is really get fucked up. Also, if you do you want me to post the document in the discovery page, or you guys got it?
If you
Yeah,
could
I
post
found
it,
you can post it in there. My bad.
yeah, all evidence should be submitted.
You're good. I got it.
I'm just going through all these tickets. My bad. I was scrolling looking for yours. Let me know when you post it in there.
Where is it? Fuck, I gotta redo it. God damn it. I lost it. DOJ documents. No, oh no, fuck. Summons. Save image. Bam, saved image. And then I could go back down to pre-trial. And then,
All right, let me take a look at this.
yeah.
All right, there was a mistake on the date listed in the case. Since it's only a clerical error, the court is fixing the date instead of dismissing the case. Discovery will continue, and everyone should follow the correct date. Does everyone agree? Fine with that?
Oh my fucking god.
You guys heard me?
Sorry, can you repeat that again, Your Honor?
Yeah. So basically, what I said, we noticed the mistake is there. So the court, we're fixing the mistake to reflect the correct date on the incident, and discovery is pretty much continued.
Okay.
Do you have anything else for your client, or does your client have anything for?
Fuck.
Me, or are you talking about Walter?
I'm talking about Walter.
Walter.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't have anything besides wrong paperwork.
Okay. Denny, you got anything else?
Did he say wrong paperwork?
Yeah, due to the incident date being wrong, we're unable to find the body cam footage.
It's not wrong though.
No, the incident date is supposed to say June 2nd, not June 4th.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is he referring to the paperwork? I don't know if you hear me.
Yeah, I
Denny.
know. It will. Yeah.
Yeah, I just pretty much fixed it for the court, and it's continued.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean that's something really small.
Doesn't matter how small it is. Okay. No, Yana, we have no more, no submissions at this time.
Okay. Denny, did your client reach out to you with any information that needs to be passed over, or just be here?
No. Realistically, he wants to bring this to court. You know. He really just thinks that what happened that day was misunderstood. And he just wants to get to the bottom of this. But all I have is that video, Your Honor, and I have nothing more to say.
Okay. If anybody doesn't have anything else, any statements or any type of rebuttal for
That's some
either
bullshit. It
parties,
doesn't matter how
discovery is gonna be
small the
closed.
incident is.
No, I'm good. I don't have anything else.
All right, discovery is going to be closed. You guys just come up with a date for court. When anybody's available. I'm available during the weekdays, but early. I'm free on the weekends.
Yeah, I'll get with my client. He's out of state. So I'll have to get with him, but I'll have an answer most likely by tonight or tomorrow morning.
We should
Okay.
have an answer by tomorrow tonight.
Because I honestly think he's sleeping right now. Because like I said, he just flew out of state, like out of the country type shit. To catch my
Okay.
drift.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah,
All
Your
right.
Honor, I don't really feel comfortable continuing this, considering I've had multiple cases dismissed for wrongful spelling, and for some reason this is being corrected during discovery and being pushed through. I'm not comfortable with that being. Why is that
I
the
mean,
case,
everything
Your
was
Honor?
dated properly besides the incident date. But then
Yeah,
we could
but
also
the
no.
issue
It
I
is
want
doesn't.
I
It
want something
doesn't
to
matter
say.
the
I
magnitude
want
of
something to say
what.
then. I want
If the
something to say then.
paperwork is incorrect,
I want something to say then.
it's incorrect.
Judge, they reached out to me, messaged me, asked me for a consultation and everything, had to hop in with them and tell them when it happened. I told them that it was the second, and now they have the audacity to try to pull this. Nah, I'm good.
Well, we also
I'm
have
good.
it in our thing as well, because the
Yeah,
judge even told us it's June 2nd. We wanted to have the meeting with your client to see. Yeah, Your Honor, I don't feel comfortable continuing this, especially I've had multiple
Guys begged
lawsuits
me for a
drop.
meeting, but it's all good.
Oh, I've had
Okay.
multiple lawsuits
we
drop
don't
over
need to be upset.
misspellings and over.
Everybody, let's
I
let's
do
calm
not
down.
feel comfortable continuing this, Your Honor. It
Let's just
seems
calm
like
down.
it's very stretched and biased.
So let's calm down. Obviously,
I'm
everybody's
calm, Your Honor.
upset right now. For your situation, Alter, I do, apologize. Every judge is different when it comes to certain cases. Um, to just look at the paperwork, yeah, it's a small error, and it's up to whoever the judge is over a case, um, to decide whether or not they want to dismiss it. Me personally, for something small as just a date issue, I normally correct it in court because it's just a small issue. It's nothing really a big, major issue. It's something so small. Um, but I'll see some tension right here. I do apologize for your situation, Walter. But this case is going to continue, so we can go to court.
Your Honor, I do have a statement if you don't mind.
Yes.
I know that the date seems so small, but due to policies and within the PD, once they're summoned, they're only supposed to keep the date that they're summoned for. So the incident date may not seem small, but the issue is now we don't have body cam, and now it's a bias situation because we are not able to access that body cam due to the incident date being wrong.
Judge, can I say
Due to-
something? They reached out to me on the 5th. We joined in a DOJ call, and I told them the correct incident date and the time, so they knew about this. So they can't try to pull this, Judge. My client was also there with me.
And we're not denying that,
part of the
but
session. Also recorded some of the session as
we're
well.
not denying
But like I
that we
said-
met, but we met
Nobody
up
is
on
denying
June
that.
5th.
Okay,
The
so-
issue is that it's the date has already fucked us up before the meeting. We're not
Like I said,
arguing
in the
that we
meeting, I
haven't
told
met.
you. In the meeting, I told you that was
Everybody
the 2nd.
just stop talking for a second. So right now, both parties, if I really wanted to, I can just dismiss this whole case. Because right now, both of you guys pretty much fucked up by communicating with each other during the case. You're not supposed to do that at all. Now, this case right here.
Judge, I didn't want to. He reached out to me
This
personally.
chill out. This hush. This case is going to continue. We're going to have a normal court date. I'm going to amend everything that was just said right now because right now, either both parties, you just violated every freaking like law right now by communicating with each other when it comes to a court case. So we're just going to continue this and move on, and then have a good
Yeah,
roly-poly court
yeah.
case and give something for the city to, have.
Your Honor, this isn't going to really be a. I don't have any body cam due to the dates.
Yeah, so it's gonna be biased. That's our biggest
if I
issue.
had body cam and everything was good, dates were perfect, there was no issue, by all means, go ahead. We could give it a shot.
Yes,
But the
yes,
dates are wrong. I have no body cam. We spoke to him to confirm the body cam date. You confirmed it in my subpoena. I've had lawsuits dropped for my name spelled wrong or dates wrong. I don't feel comfortable if you. I don't know how this is going to continue, and I defend myself. I don't have body cam. I don't have any witnesses because you opened discovery and closed it, and I didn't know what scene this was. To my knowledge, it's the 2nd, it's the 4th. Now I know what scene it is, and I would have to go back and review all my body cam to even contribute anything to the discovery, which is now it's closed. So
We could keep it open till midnight.
that doesn't address the other 3 different things that I've said. I would feel more comfortable if this was more proper, everything was proper. I had my body cam because everything is proper. I could defend myself because everything is proper. Again, this feels like it's just, it's Walter.
We would be down to have a court
even
case if we had body
I
cam.
even gave the gentleman CPR, and he's actively talking back. Now I don't feel comfortable pursuing this. This is, wrong paperwork. I just now know what the situation is, and I didn't have time to even review my body. I don't feel comfortable continuing this. It's not fair. It's not right.
And due to his civil rights, he does have the right to a fair trial, and this would not be a fair trial. If we continue this would be a violation of his rights.
So, explain, would this be a violation of his rights? I'm very confused right now.
I would
Because
love to know too.
because due to his policies of his body cam, if the incident, when you summon somebody, he must maintain that body cam footage to that date. But now if you look at the 2nd and not the 4th, he kept all the body cam footage of the 4th because he thought the incident date was that date. And it's possible now the damage could be to the 2nd body cam, which we don't know if it is damaged or not at this current moment. But if we look back to it, and if it is damaged, now it's a one-sided court and it's an unfair trial. And as the judge's power and responsibility is to make sure paperwork is documented properly, dated properly before submitting. It was submitted under the pretenses that it was documented properly, and it was not.
Hold on, I'm about to be kicked.
Yeah, Sam, that's what I should get up to. Hold on.
Yeah, we don't know why everybody's like getting aggressive either. We're just trying to make sure this is a fair trial. If we do continue trial, we would love to have a proper trial, like a good Rasta pasta. But the issue is it would not be a fair trial, and really the only ones that's gonna be really having fun with this is you guys, and my client would be fucked in that case. Pardon my language, Your Honor.
All I'm gonna say is you reached out to me, which you weren't even supposed to do. You're lucky I even gave you a
Which
conversation.
you could have
Can I
declined
finish
at any
talking?
point.
Can I finish talking? Can I finish talking? Thank you. And I didn't even have to answer you. I didn't even have to answer you. I didn't have to do any of that. I didn't have to give you nothing, and I shouldn't have. And the fact that
My
no, can I finish talking, please? And the fact that I still went out of my way, joined up, and still helped you out. Me and my client still helped you out, and then you still get like this. It's just crazy to me.
get like
I
what?
got
It's
nothing else to
completely
say, Judge.
neutral. There's
Yeah,
no
Okay.
hard
can we
feelings on
just
it.
dismiss it on that? I don't
Because
like I don't like any
you're
of this.
getting your feelings involved. This is a court
So
process.
hold on. Right now, everybody tone it down. Obviously, everybody's attention is high in this room. So you guys still have a possibility of, up in this case, but you as a lawyer, you need to be good at your job and figure out loopholes. I can't go into details to figure out, and tell you how to win this case, but there are some ways in there. You just gotta look at your knowledge and read and, pretty much see what you can do to win the case in court. Um, but other than that, this case is going to continue. You just have to see what is going on or what's wrong in the picture. But there is a possibility that you could win this case. I
Okay,
can't
what
tell
the,
you how, but there is a possibility. But you have to do your job as a lawyer and figure out what is wrong other than just a date.
well, so the date you're on, I have no body cam. That's the thing. To make it simple, the incident date is the 4th. That gives me till the 7th, right?
Hmm
On paper, correct? Cool. The incident date happened June 2nd. How many days after are we from June 2nd, Your Honor?
I mean, when you look back at the date, didn't I told you in the emails the correct, well,
But
this is the correct date.
But
that doesn't
Yeah, you did, Judge.
void. You did, but the paperwork is wrong.
and
And
it's
Yeah.
possible that the
told
body cam could still be damaged before you said anything. Even.
exactly.
It's your
So
job as a judge to make sure that the paperwork is finished. And not only that, due to the fact that he's being hostile immediately when this is supposed to
Not
be a
being
neutral
hostile.
party,
I helped you
I'm-
out, and you're the one trying to dog me over.
it's a
Young man,
neutral thing. It's
Yo,
our
Judge,
job is to make
I
sure
got nothing
everything
else to
is
say.
right.
I gotta get to work. I
that's
got
fine.
nothing else
This
to
will
say.
just be a civil rights matter then, because I mean it's 5 days after it's 5 days after the incident. 3 on paperwork. Paperwork's wrong, and you guys are still pushing the matter. That's okay. Me and my lawyer will handle it.
Sounds good. Anything else for you, that I need to do, Judge? Are you all good?
Give me a second.
Take your time.
Give me a moment. I'm looking at some stuff. Give me a second.
If a lawyer is being aggressive towards another lawyer during discovery, is it possible we could have that lawyer recused?
Behavior during discovery, document their actions, and consider filing a motion for sanctions, or report them for ethical violations. For legal advice, consult a professional.
Alright, I was looking at some stuff. My bad. This is still gonna be continued. Let me just make sure. Yeah, we're still going to continue this case. You
Your
guys
Honor,
just come up with a good court date.
outside of that, Your Honor, I would also like it to be reported and filed that this lawyer was actively being aggressive during discovery, and have that conversation out within DOJ outside the court case when this case ends.
Hey, Mr. Denny or Gabby, can you also type that? Let the record show you willingly responded and you reached out too.
Nobody forced you either. It was a one request and you
begged me.
immediately
You
accept.
begged.
Nobody
You begged me, but it's all
begged
good.
you.
Like I said, I gotta go, so I'm all good
Are
here, Judge. I
you
gotta
not
go,
gonna
though.
type that back, or would you like me to do
You
it
can.
for you?
Yeah, you can.
I will
do it.
be
I don't
no
type
mind.
it.
worries.
I'll be putting the screenshots of
Yeah,
the
that's
request
fine.
as
Perfect.
well.
That's
Awesome.
fine.
Thank you.
You guys are
Awesome.
welcome for helping you out again too.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge,
you.
for all your time.
All right.
Yeah. I mean, we know already what to do.
Yeah. That his actions. With how he reacted, I'm gonna take it up with
Yeah,
HR.
it's okay.
But
I've
other
already
than that,
handled
the
it too.
case will have to continue, and there's nothing what we could do. He's gonna have to remain that guy's lawyer because he doesn't have the right to recuse him. Walter, do you mind if we talk in a private office?
No, I don't mind.
All right. Make sure you're whispering.
Yeah, I'm whispering right now.
All right. I'm gonna that is